Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is for corn chowder. So I started by cooking some bacon, and I have it on a rack, and I put it in the oven. And then I diced up one white onion, and I have 3 russet potatoes that I'm cutting into about 1-inch pieces. I also have 3 cups of corn. I'm using frozen corn, so I kind of kept it in the strainer and let it thaw out on the counter. Then I reserved about a tablespoon of the bacon grease and added that to a large pot, added the onions and sauteed that for about 4 minutes until they softened. Next, I added in all my potatoes and 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. Then you wait till that comes to a boil. Then you can reduce it and put a lid on it and let that simmer for about 10 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Then I have some milk that I'm whisking some flour into, and you can see the bacon off to the side. I took 6 slices of bacon, chopped that up. Once the potatoes are done, I'm adding the milk and the flour. Also adding in some heavy whipping cream. It called for shredded white cheddar, but I could only find like a yellow and white mix, so I added a cup of that, which I didn't think was enough. I did add more to it. Added in the corn and the bacon, and gave that a little mix, and kind of let that heat up for about 4 more minutes or so. Then I did go back and season that with salt and pepper. Gave it another mix, and then it was ready to serve. So this is really good. It essentially tastes like baked potato soup, but it has corn in it. So I topped mine with a little bit more cheese and then added green onions, or you can add chives to it. And that is it. Very easy, and this makes a lot. So if you guys try this recipe, make sure you leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.